Say goodbye to sticky pans and frustrated cooking experiences. Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware is here to revolutionize your kitchen. In this review, we'll explore the exceptional features that make this 1025-inch frying pan a must-have for any cooking enthusiast. From its unique Neverstick technology to its premium design, discover how this cookware sets a new standard in durability, convenience, and culinary excellence. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. The Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware is the game changer you've been waiting for. Here's why you need it. Transform your cooking experience with the Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware, where durability, versatility, and culinary excellence converge. Neverstick technology, unparalleled non-stick performance. The Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware boasts a game-changing Neverstick difference. Created at an astonishing 30,000 degrees Fahrenheit, plasma ceramic particles are fused to the pan's surface, forming a super hard, textured layer that interlocks with the exclusive coating. The result? A non-stick surface that won't stick, chip, or flake even under high heat conditions. This innovative technology ensures easy food release and a cooking experience free from the frustrations of traditional pans. 10-year guarantee. Confidence in durability. Worried about the longevity of non-stick coating? Fear not. The Neverstick technology comes with a 10-year guarantee, a testament to its durability under high heat cooking and aggressive scrubbing. This cookware is designed to deliver easy food release day after day, promising a reliable kitchen companion for years to come. Hard anodized exterior, a scratch-resistant marvel. The premium cookware features a hard anodized exterior that withstands scratches like stainless steel. The shot-blasted finish not only adds a touch of sophistication, but also ensures your pan looks as good as new, even after extensive use. Oven-safe and multifunctional design. Take your culinary adventures to the next level with the Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware. The pan is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to seamlessly transition from stovetop to oven. The stainless steel handles are ergonomically designed for comfort and strength, while the tempered glass lid, with its 13 mm thick stainless steel rim, locks in moisture and provides maximum visibility. This cookware is your versatile companion, enabling you to sear, sauté, griddle, pan fry, shallow fry, braise, bake, roast, and broil with ease. Improved heat retention for perfect results. The heavy-gauge 4.5 mm aluminum base prevents hot spots, ensuring quick and even heat distribution for perfect results every time. With 30% more aluminum than the Ninja Foodi Neverstick Essential C100 series, this cookware excels in heat retention and culinary precision. Easy cleanup, wipe and go. Say goodbye to scrubbing and soaking. The Neverstick cooking surface wipes clean effortlessly, making cleanup a breeze. Enjoy the convenience of a non-stick pan without the hassle of tedious cleaning. Safe and user-friendly. The Ninja Foodi Neverstick Premium Cookware is designed for your safety and ease of use. The non-stick coating is metal utensil safe, easy to wipe clean, and dishwasher safe. Crafted with food-safe materials, this cookware is compatible with gas, electric, glass, ceramic, and induction stoves. What's included? The 1025-inch fry pan is a versatile addition to your kitchen, ready to elevate your cooking experience. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.